Spanish French fries, patatas bravas, yan ang gagawin natin today. Let's start cooking! So, it's actually fried potato. So, eto siya is a very nice tapas or snack. You know, you serve with your meats on the side. And it's really fried potatoes. It's very easy to do. And I will just cut them up into pieces, no? So, large chunks. Yan, no? So, actually, hindi siya parang fries, no? Kasi hindi naman siya pahaba. It's more like chunks. And very important, hinay-hinay tayo para hindi tayo mapaso. Mainit na yung tubig ko eh. I'll just drop it there, no? When you're making your potato, some people like to fry it, no? Fry it diretso. But I like to par-cook it, no? So, cook it before cooking it again, no? And yung gagawin natin, we will season properly with salt. Kasi gusto natin, yung patatas natin, may lasa na, no? So, dapat your water should be seasoned enough. Hindi matabang yung tubig mo, may alat siya. And the secret ingredient that I'm adding here to make it like pillowy soft, no? Yung medyo fluffy siya ng konti is to add a bit of baking soda. Yan. So, this one will make it a bit fluffy. So, ito yung secret ingredient ko, yung baking soda. And we will just cook this for a few minutes, no? Until it's almost fully cooked. Boil ka muna dyan. And ito naman, on the other side, I will prepare my Brava sauce, olive oil, garlic, onions, no? We saute that until aromatic. We don't want to toast the garlic too much. I will also add a bit of chili flakes for a konting spice. I will add a bit of paprika. You can use Spanish paprika. Yan, bumang agad dito. And we will add our tomatoes. So this is canned tomatoes. Yan. I'm also adding a bit of red wine or red wine vinegar to bring out that acidity, no? Para masarap siya, no? So let that simmer, let that cook and simmer. And of course, we have to season, no? So you can season with salt, but I want to use freshly cracked black pepper here. And to finish, ito siya, I have some extra virgin olive oil. Turn down our heat, and I will just drizzle a bit more of our olive oil, no? Very nice, no? And this is where you dip your potatoes. So, ito naman will make a very quick, instant aioli. So, parang garlic sauce. And I have my garlic here. Yung gagawin ko sa garlic ko, I will just show you. Ito, minced siya, di ba? But we don't want it to be minced. We want it to be a bit finer. So, lagyan natin ng salt. Gagawin ko dito with the salt. I will mash my garlic. Para finong-fino siya, no? So, ang patatas bravas is a very classic Spanish na recipe. And parang every family has their version, no? So, there's no one standard way of doing it. There's a classic way, but everybody does it differently. If you go around the Spanish restaurants, iba-iba din yung version nila. So, I'll add a bit of paprika. I'm using smoked paprika. And lemon juice. And add my mayonnaise. Oh, napakadali. And finish with black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. Yan! Done. So, meron na tayong dalawang dips. Look at that. Very nice. Tatabi na natin. And our potatoes are done. Yan. And let's check. Oh, tender. Very tender na yung ating patatas. And now, let's scoop this out. So, you can cool this, no? So, pwede ka mag-par-cook na inyong patatas early on so that you just have to fry when needed. So, we have our two dips ready. Ito yung aioli natin. And our sofrito. Yan, ating Brava sauce. So, dalawa, no? Choices. You have your choices. And now, we are ready to fry our patatas or our potatoes which have been par-cooked and cooled down a bit. Hinay-hinay tayo not to drop it, no? Kasi if we drop it, it's gonna splash, no? Yan, no? So, we want it to be very nice and golden. Crisp outside, pero sa loob is light and fluffy. Beautifully golden. Ito siya, if you have, ito kasi yung mantika ko bago, kaya very nice yung color niya, no? Medyo maputla. Pero if you use your oil a second or third time, mas maganda din yung coloration niya. So, it will really make a difference, no? So, ito siya, it's very crisp outside, pero yung loob nito, sigurado tayong malambot and very fluffy. Sprinkle with salt. Season evenly with salt. Yan, if you want to add black pepper, you can add black pepper. And toss while it's still hot. And transfer. And I'm ready to taste. Ang problema dito, carbs. So, tikim lang. Mainit eh. Pero you can use your fingers for this. Taste mo natin yung potatoes. Wow. Aioli. Nice garlic. Yung spicy natin na Brava sauce. So, sobrang sarap nitong ating dish today. Very simple to do. Very filling as a snack, as a tapas with wine. Something you can enjoy with your family or even among adults. Ang ating recipe for today, Patatas Bravas, Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!